Fashion has always existed and will always exist with a continuous change. Because if something was beautiful for our grandparents, it may seem old fashioned to us, and when we are older, our grandchildren's clothing will seem crazy. But that does not mean that the old is bad. In my personal opinion, the way of dressing before was prettier than the current. For example, men dressed more formally, wearing more formal jackets, high socks, pressed pants, and polished shoes. And the women wore more neat dresses and very nice hairstyles with jewelries or necklaces. Now the clothing has added some accessories, such as watches, bracelets, rings, and so on. But that excess of accessories removes the formality. I think that a mix between the best of the traditional and the best of the current is a good complement. The traditional or the modern shall not be taken to the limits. Thanks for watching.